Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Saturday, November 18th, 2023. It is 3:09 and 37 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, ribosomes and cancer. So let's jump to it here. As colliding ribosomes activate RNA repair, date November 15th, 2023. Source, Ludwig Maximilians, University. Researchers discover how ribosomes contribute to the recognition and removal of RNA cross-linking damage. As cross-linking damage to DNA must be repaired by the cell to prevent premature aging and cancer. However, it was previously unknown whether and how cells sense and resolve cross-linking damage to single-stranded RNA. It was previously difficult to study, specifically RNA cross-linking damage, as most chemicals also damage DNA. We therefore utilized a new approach to reduce and study RNA damage in the absence of DNA damage. Using this experimental system, the researchers uncovered a previously unknown mechanism by which the ribosome can act as a sensor for cross-linking damage. Ribosomes run along the messenger molecule, mRNA, to translate the information stored in the mRNA into proteins. As the researchers demonstrate, the ribosome gets stuck as soon as it encounters a lesion. This leads to collision with subsequent ribosomes, triggering removal of the damage. The new findings indicate that compounds commonly considered solely as DNA damaging agents challenge cellular homeostasis on a much broader level. Given that such agents are often used for chemotherapy, the work has imminent implications for the mechanisms of action of frequently used anti-cancer drugs. Aldehydes are toxic compounds that are produced in the body by metabolic processes, especially upon alcohol consumption. They are dangerous because they bind to cellular macromolecules such as DNA, RNA, and proteins and cross-link them. As cross-linking damage to DNA must be repaired by the cell to prevent premature aging and cancer. However, it was previously unknown whether and how cells sense and resolve cross-linking damage to single-stranded RNA. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.